Hi, my name is Ahmad bin Abu Bakar. I'm a visual artist and also an art educator. I mainly work with clay as a material. Apart from that, I do also work with other materials like metals, wood, plastic, even photograph and also videos. Journey of Points to Geometry Series 2, inspired from my interests and explorations looking at points or dots with referencing from architecture. This architecture could be from spiritual building like mosques, churches. They are the domes of all these buildings that inspires me. As an artist, I always prefer my works to be in the collections of museums. It will be part of the history of me, myself, as an artist, and also this nation, because it allows the works to be further researched either today, tomorrow, or perhaps other times